Hello, dear students. I hope you're all doing very well. Today, we are going to learn 20 very important English vocabulary words. These words are commonly used in spoken English, academic writing, and exams like DILTs. I will explain each word step by step. First, I will tell you the grammatical status of the word. Then I will explain its meanings in a simple lecture style. And finally, I will use the word in sentences so you can clearly understand how to use it in real life. So let's begin our lesson. The first word is adapt. This word is a verb. Adapt means to change yourself according to a situation, to adjust to new conditions, or to modify behavior in order to survive or improve. Life constantly demands change, and learning to adapt is a key skill. Ali had to adapt when he moved to a new city. He adapted his routine to match his job requirements. Over time, he realized that people who adapt easily face fewer difficulties. The next word is adaptable. This word is an adjective. Adaptable means able to change easily, flexible in nature, and capable of adjusting to different environments or situations. An adaptable person remains calm during change. Ali was adaptable, so challenges did not scare him. His adaptable attitude helped him succeed in unfamiliar situations. In today's world, adaptable people grow faster than others. The next word is add. This word is a verb. Add means to include something extra, to increase in number or amount, or to join one thing with another. Personal growth happens when we add value to ourselves. Ali decided to add new skills to his personality. He added discipline to his daily habits. Each effort he added made his future stronger. The next word is adequate. This word is an adjective. Adequate means sufficient, enough for a particular purpose, or satisfactory in quality or quantity. Adequacy does not mean perfection, but it means meeting basic needs. Ali had adequate time to prepare for the exam. His knowledge was adequate for the task. With adequate effort, steady progress is possible. The next word is adhere. This word is a verb. Adhere means to stick firmly to something, to follow rules or principles, or to remain loyal to beliefs. Strong character is built through adherence. Ali adhered to honesty in every situation. He adhered to the rules even when no one was watching. Success followed him because he adhered to discipline. The next word is adjoin. This word is a verb. Adjoin means to be next to something, to be physically connected, or to touch at the edges. Location often matters in daily life. Ali lived in a house that adjoined the school. A small garden adjoined his office. This closeness saved time and energy. The next word is adjust. This word is a verb. Adjust means to make small changes, to modify something slightly, or to adapt to new circumstances. Flexibility helps in difficult times. Ali adjusted his schedule to stay healthy. He adjusted his attitude after learning from mistakes. People who adjust wisely experience less stress. The next word is administer. This word is a verb. Administer means to manage responsibilities, to control or organize systems, or to give something officially. Good management requires fairness. Ali was chosen to administer the project. He administered his duties responsibly. True leaders administer authority with care. The next word is adolescent. This word is a noun and adjective. Adolescent refers to a young person in the teenage years or anything related to that stage of life. Adolescence is a sensitive period. During his adolescent years, Ali developed strong values. An adolescent mind is curious and emotional. Proper guidance helps adolescents grow confidently. The next word is adopt. This word is a verb. Adopt means to accept or choose something, to follow a new idea or method, or to take legal responsibility for a child. Adoption shows commitment. Ali adopted a positive mindset. He adopted better habits for success. Many people adopt change to improve their lives. The next word is adverse. This word is an adjective. Adverse means harmful, unfavorable, or working against progress. Difficult times test strength. Despite adverse conditions, Ali stayed hopeful. Adverse weather challenged his journey. Strong people grow stronger in adverse situations. The next word is advertise. This word is a verb. Advertise means to promote something publicly, to announce information, or to attract attention. Communication is powerful. Ali advertised his skills online. Companies advertise products to reach customers. Social media helps advertise ideas quickly. The next word is advisable. This word is an adjective. Advisable means wise, recommended, or sensible to do. Careful planning is always advisable. It was advisable for Ali to save money. Taking rest was advisable for his health. Listening to guidance is often advisable. The next word is advocate. This word is a noun and a verb. Advocate means a supporter or defender of an idea, or to support something openly. Change needs strong advocates. Ali became an advocate of education. He advocated fairness in society. Leaders should advocate justice bravely. The next word is aesthetic. This word is an adjective and noun. Aesthetic relates to beauty, artistic sense, or visual appeal. Beauty affects emotions. Ali loved aesthetic designs. The room had strong aesthetic appeal. Aesthetic surroundings bring peace of mind. The next word is affair. This word is a noun. Affair means a matter, event, or personal issue. Life involves many affairs. Ali handled every affair responsibly. Business affairs require care. Personal affairs deserve privacy. The next word is affect. This word is a verb. Affect means to influence something, to cause a change, or to impact emotions or results. Small actions affect big outcomes. Stress affected Ali's performance. His words affected others deeply. Habits affect long-term success. The next word is affiliate. This word is a verb and noun. Affiliate means to connect with, associate with, or be officially linked to a group or organization. Association shapes growth. Ali chose to affiliate with positive people. He became an affiliate of a learning community. Wise people affiliate with success-oriented minds. The next word is affirm. This word is a verb. Affirm means to state something confidently, to confirm or to declare belief strongly. Confidence comes from affirmation. Ali affirmed his commitment to hard work. He affirmed his goals publicly. Positive words affirm self-belief. The next word is afflict. This word is a verb. Afflict means to cause pain, suffering, or serious trouble. Life sometimes brings hardship. Fear afflicted Ali in the beginning. Poverty afflicts many societies. Hope heals those whom difficulties afflict.